Hey cachers, Derek here, Baker Six Clan. Today I'm going to be doing a multi out here on the harbor of Charleston. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. It was a great little walk from where I had to park to come out to the first stage of where this multi is. Now if you look to the right over my right shoulder, that's Charleston, coming off over here. Now right behind me, that's the Ravenel Bridge here in Charleston. Just such a great view coming from here. All right, so I need to come over here to some of these signs and figure out the coordinates for stage 2. All right, so after going through back and forth on the signs back here behind me, I finally got the coordinates for the last location. All right, I'm gonna put those in and we're gonna go to that location. I'm at ground zero for the final location. So I'm gonna go find it, bring it back, sign it, and then we're gonna go find the cache owner. All right, I got the cache owner. We've met him already before. It's Gino, or Gino Mac 1. All right, Gino, what a great multi. What a great location. Now, tell me, why did you do this location?
Well, number one, it was a spectacular view of Charleston and Charleston Harbor and the bridge and steeples. Not to mention, you know, it's just a beautiful little park. It's like a little gem in South Carolina.
Yeah, I mean, I'd never been here before, and I'm coming out here, I've always seen this one picture of Charleston, seeing the marshes and then seeing the steeples with the Ravenel Bridge. I mean, that was just spectacular, just seeing that. I've always seen that picture, but I never knew where to get it. So once again, geocaching has taken us to another great location. Now, is there anything else about this location that sticks out to you?
Well, there is a real tricky cache nearby. Number one, that's what brought me here, a traditional cache. But just the fact that you can see the boats coming in and out, the big ships moving in and out, and basically that's, you know, this things get revealed to me every time I come here.
Yeah, it's really cool. I've seen people just strolling through this park. It's nice and quiet, and when you got a great view, once again, of the harbor. Got a cruise ship out there ready to go out probably later today. So, all right, so just another, once again, geocaching bringing us to another great location. Now, if this is the first time you've ever seen this, so hit that button down there to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below. What is the most beautiful location that geocaching has taken you? I want to hear. All right, guys, I'll see you next time right here on Behind the Cache.